I've been looking forward to this day, to be honest. I've been counting days, not even days, weeks. If I do with days, nasikia niko na 120 days na kumbe ni 8 weeks. Yeah, so I've been looking forward to this day, and I've been praying about this day, and I've been expectant towards this day. And right now, since that I'm here, that I'm capable, not even capable, that I'm able to even interact with other athletes, that I'm back even in competition, that I can enter competition and not feel awkward again. Because during my 2 years, I've been watching all the meets back at home. You know, I can't, of course there are restrictions that you can't be around athletes, you can't be around the stadium. So I've obeyed the process, and I've stayed where I need to be, and I've done all that need to be done, what was required from me. And right now that I'm back, I feel so much lighter. I feel at peace.